The Economic Indicator Polls app lets you view a detailed breakdown of Reuters polls for an array of real-time economic indicators. The app also provides longer-term economic outlooks for several key indicators across the G20. You can access the app by entering economic polls in the search box and selecting it from the auto-suggest results. Or you can enter the shortcode ECOP. Select the country and the indicator you want to view from the drop-down.
The top half of the screen provides a chart of the consensus versus the actual versus the smart economics over time.
The consensus results are given in the poll results section.
The results include not just the traditional median figure, but the StarMine Smart Economics, which is a weighted average based on a proprietary algorithm. Backtesting shows the Smart Economics correctly predicts the direction of economic surprises 61% of the time, when the Smart Economics is significantly different from the consensus.
To the left, you see the contributed forecasts. You can sort the table by rank to view the most accurate contributors. The ranks are determined by StarMine's analysis of contributed forecasts over the past 12 months. These ranking scores can be ordered by sorting the rank column. Now you can observe how the best forecaster compares to the consensus. This provides additional insight into the direction the indicator is more likely to go. Check the box next to the contributor to add their forecast to the graph. In addition, Reuters News publishes polls on long-term outlooks for certain indicators. Click the Long-Term Outlook tab to view the results. You can plot minimum and maximum expectations for the long-term outlook like this. You can perform deeper analysis by overlaying one term outlook with another.